Are you passionate about menstrual hygiene or want to set up your own sanitary napkin production unit? Then we have a complete solution for you, which we call the business in a box. Firstly, we sit with you and identify the needs of your geography, the number of women that you want to serve, and the type of product that you want to produce. Accordingly, we suggest the type of machine that you can use to produce these sanitary napkins and the raw materials that you should use. Once you place an order, we start with the process of assembling the machine at our end. It takes about 30 to 45 days for us to assemble the machine as per your customized order. Once the machine is assembled, the machine undergoes a thorough process of testing. Once the machine is assembled at our end, we invite the customer's staff to come and inspect the machine and get trained on the raw materials which are used in sanitary napkins and the basics of the swatch machines. Post which, the machine is disassembled into smaller pieces and packaged into wooden crates and dispatched safely to your location. Once the machine reaches the machine partner's location, we send our engineers and technicians to commission the machine at your location. After commissioning the machine, the engineers also provide training to your local staff on how to run the machine, how to do regular maintenance, how to maintain stock, how to track their unit economics, and how to sell the product in the market. Once the training is completed, we hand over the machine to you. Once the machine is assembled at the partner's location, we also provide long-term support in terms of supplying raw materials on a monthly or a quarterly basis. We also provide maintenance support through our engineers. We also provide with market linkages connecting the manufacturer with various distributors in their localities to promote sales. On a case-to-case basis, we also support in program activities such as creating awareness in the communities regarding menstrual hygiene and creating a sales force of local women who can sell the product door to door. We do this training and awareness campaigns in collaboration with corporates and other NGOs. This is how we provide a complete end-to-end solution of business in a box